Hurricane Sally, Category 2, Fort Walton Beach, Florida, September 16th, 2020. Yes, indeed, 8 a.m. in the morning. Lord, look like it about to blow them trees down. Got them wobbling. Hurricane Sally, Fort Walton Beach, Florida, Category 2. The wind look like it's around about 40-50 miles per hour. Yes, indeed. September 16th, 2020. Yeah, rain. Locksmith video. Hurricane Sally. Look at Hurricane Sally, Fort Walton Beach, Florida, 2016. 2020, September 16th. I mess it up all the time, you know what I'm saying? Don't want to get wet out there, boy. I tell you, it's gonna break some trees, lights and stuff blinking off and on. Raindrop from Hurricane Sally. Hurricane Sept done made landfall. Boy, that wind blowing about 30-40 miles per hour. Fort Walton Beach, Florida, September 16th, 2020. Locksmith video. Hurricane Sept blowing stuff down. Look at that, boy. It's about to pop them trees. Hurricane Sept, Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Locksmith video, make another one. Peace out.